Davis Hall, anybody? There's the observatory. This was built in 1949. Let's see if we can get in there. We can. See, this is onto an observatory on the top. This is also home to the meteorology school, or something like that, weather school. And there's our warm by outlook. I don't think it's gonna be that warm, but I think it'll be about 40, 50 degrees. It's warmest. You know, it's brightest elevator. I think this was Otis. Go down to B. Oh god, that sounds so fucking pathetic. Chime. Not a bad elevator. Too bad it's been modernized, but I don't have any hatred to mods. There's the former 4 indicator. I think this was a Otis. It may have been Westinghouse, but I'm betting this was no Otis. There it goes, and see you all in the next video.